Since the dawn of the jet age, man has attempted to develop a fighter aircraft that could operate across the full spectrum of speed. While this ceremony focuses on the aircraft you see before you, the real story, as always, is about the people. It is about those Marines of VMFAT 501 and the 33rd Fighter Wing.
The budget constraints are forcing our military to find savings wherever they can be found. Meanwhile, potential adversaries continue to invest in next-generation weapons designed to counter capabilities we've relied on for decades. This is precisely why we must continue to properly resource our armed forces to provide for the common defense of the United States of America. Northwest Florida is proud to welcome the F-35B to Eglin Air Force Base. For decades, the people of Northwest Florida have welcomed the men and women of our armed forces as they have performed a myriad of missions.
Throughout our industry, we know that we must perform on this program for you now, and we will. All that we've learned over the last 100 years, and all that we can judge about the future, has led to this airplane, the F-35B. It is the world's only fifth-generation supersonic stealthy combat aircraft that can also hover and take off and land virtually anywhere Marines are in action, and Marines will be called to action virtually anywhere. As you are always faithful to one another and to the mission, my pledge to you today is that we will be equally faithful to you.
Many people still question the need for the F-35 program, especially the STOVL or the B version. The ability to combine supersonic flight and radar evading stealth with short takeoff and vertical landing capability needed aboard an amphibious ship is among the greatest innovations in aviation history. Combined with the Navy's F-35 Sea Carrier variant of this aircraft, it gives the nation double the number of capital ships capable of operating a fifth-generation multi-role fighter. The capabilities offered in this jet are unmatched by anything in the world today and for years to come. It has a capability vastly needed by the Marine Corps in one whose day has arrived. I hope you know today that the spirit of innovation within marine aviation is alive and well, and it's going to continue to live here with the warlords of VMFAT 501. It has in every climate place for the last 100 years. And what today is symbolic of is the bright future for marine aviation for the next 100 years.